In this video I am gonna show you how to animate text like this. So this is the preview of one text and you can see here also. So how to animate like this. So let's start the video. First of all, I am gonna to delete this. Then I go to right here creative. After that I write it, then go to the text and select this button and go to the scale, right? After that click on this option and go to the opacity. After that first I'm gonna zero the scale and then decrease the opacity to 0, right? After that I go to the range selector and click the keyframe of offset, right? And I go to -100. Then I forward the keyframe and 200 plus, right? Then I go to advanced setting, then square to ramp up, then easy high. I put this value to 15, 16, and easy low it put 100, right? So let's see the preview. So you can see the animation, it's very smooth. So the next one. So I write here creative, then I'm gonna animate this text. So click on this option, go to the scale, then click on this option, go to the opacity. First I'm gonna I'm sorry, here I'm gonna blur it, right? So let's remove the scale. I click on this option and blur, right? First I'm gonna blur it, as you can. Then I'm gonna decrease the opacity to 0. Then go to the range selector, click the keyframe of offset -100 and forward the keyframe and then +100, right? Then go to the advanced setting and square to ramp up, then easy high to 15 and easy low to 100. So let's see the preview of the text. So you can see here it's very smooth and very nice, and you can do it F9 and it will look more creative. So let's see here. So these are the two text animation. In the next video I will show you more text animation like pro. So hope guys you like this video. So comment, like and share the video. So thank you guys.